Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're checking out the Hamilton Beach Commercial Summit Edge High Performance Blender. This blender packs some serious power and promises to make quick work of even the toughest recipes. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Hamilton Beach Commercial Summit Edge is designed for high-demand environments like cafes, restaurants, and smoothie bars, but it also appeals to serious home chefs who need something that can handle a little more intensity. At its core, you have a 3.5 HP motor that drives this blender to deliver fast blending times and smooth results. It's paired with a special container that houses robust stainless steel blades, all engineered for speed and performance. This is a blender that promises to turn your toughest ingredients into silky, smooth creations with ease. It boasts a 48-ounce copolyester container, which holds up to 1.4 liters of your favorite ingredients. Plus, it's designed to stack neatly, helping to maximize your counter space, a nice touch for any busy kitchen. But power and size are only part of the story here. One feature that stands out is the ultra-quiet blending technology. You might think that a blender with a powerful motor like this would be loud, but Hamilton Beach has taken steps to ensure that isn't the case. With a sound-dampening copolyester shield and a double-wall motor base that redirects airflow, the noise is significantly reduced. You can blend away without disturbing the conversation or the ambience of your space. That's a huge win for commercial settings, where noise can be a major issue. And then there's the auto blend feature. This is all about making things easier for operators, whether you're a seasoned pro or a new hire. Auto blend adjusts for the differences in ingredients, detecting when cavitation happens, and making automatic adjustments to ensure the perfect consistency. One touch, and you're done. It automatically stops once your blend reaches the desired texture, so you don't need to worry about monitoring it constantly. The touchpad is another area where Hamilton Beach has made improvements. It's capacitive, which means it's sensitive to the touch, and it's designed to make navigation intuitive and straightforward. With 6 programmable buttons, variable speeds, and pulse control, it's incredibly easy to get the perfect blend, whether you're making smoothies, frappes, or something else entirely. Plus, the blender comes with 36 pre-programmed cycles in 11 languages. Talk about versatility. Now let's talk about real-world performance. After putting this blender to the test, I have to say, it's impressive. Setup was straightforward. Just plug it in, fill up the container with your ingredients, and you're ready to go. I tested it with a few different recipes: a smoothie bowl, a green smoothie, and even a frappe to see how it handled tougher tasks. For the smoothie bowl, I didn't need to pre-cut the ingredients too much, thanks to the wide, square design of the container. It was able to blend everything together in a fraction of the time I would expect from other blenders. The result? A perfectly smooth consistency, no chunks. Same for the green smoothie. It handled spinach, kale, and frozen fruit without skipping a beat. And when I tested the frappe, same deal. Ice and coffee came together in perfect harmony. One area where this blender does excel is the consistency it delivers. The auto blend feature is a game changer for anyone who's looking for a quick and easy way to get the perfect texture every time. The blend was smooth every single time I used it, and I didn't have to babysit the blender at all. Just press a button and walk away. However, I did notice that the motor, while strong and fast, can still be a bit of a beast in terms of power consumption. It's worth keeping that in mind, especially for those looking for energy efficiency in the long run. The pros of the Hamilton Beach Commercial Summit Edge are undeniable. First off, its motor packs a serious punch. 3.5 horsepower isn't something you see in typical consumer blenders, and it shows in the results. Whether you're blending hard fruits, ice, or leafy greens, this blender takes on anything you throw at it. The ultra-quiet blending technology also works wonders, making this one of the quietest commercial blenders I've used. And the auto blend feature? That's a true time saver. Just press a button and get the perfect consistency every time. The container design is excellent too. It's stackable, BPA-free, and easy to pour from. But of course, no product is without its drawbacks. One downside is the size and weight. This is a commercial grade blender, so it's built to be sturdy and durable. But if you're looking for something that can easily be stored away, this might not be the best choice. It takes up a bit of space, so you'll need to make sure your counter space is up to the task. The price point may also be a barrier for some. It's not the cheapest blender on the market, so you'll want to weigh the investment against how often you plan to use it. When it comes to value for money, the Hamilton Beach Commercial Summit Edge sits at a premium price point, but it delivers in performance. It's built for those who need speed, consistency, and reliability. If you're running a cafe or a business, the durability and speed this blender offers make it a solid investment. However, for home use or casual blending, it might be overkill, especially if you don't need that commercial grade power. Looking at alternatives, you might find a few blenders with similar features, but many won't offer the same level of power. The Vitamix 5200 is a popular option that's similarly priced and known for its quality. However, the Hamilton Beach Commercial Summit Edge has the advantage when it comes to quieter operation and the auto blend feature, which sets it apart from Vitamix. But if you don't need that commercial grade motor, the Vitamix might be a better choice for home use, especially considering it's a bit more compact. As far as build quality goes, Hamilton Beach delivers a solid construction. The 48-ounce container feels durable and the motor base is heavy-duty, which is what you want in a commercial-grade appliance. While I can't speak to its long-term performance just yet, given the brand's reputation for quality, I'm confident it will hold up over time. If you're looking for something that can take a beating and continue delivering top-notch performance, this is a blender you can trust. Customer support from Hamilton Beach has been solid from my experience. They're known for responsive service, and any issues are typically handled quickly. I haven't had any direct interactions with customer service for this specific blender, but the overall reputation of the brand suggests they're a company that stands behind their products. To wrap it up, the Hamilton Beach Commercial Summit Edge is a powerhouse blender that delivers excellent performance, especially in high-demand environments. Its motor, quiet operation, and auto blend feature make it a standout for anyone needing efficiency and consistency. However, it's not for everyone. It's large, heavy, and priced on the higher side, so it's best suited for commercial use or serious home chefs. If you're just looking to make the occasional smoothie or blend some fruit, you might be better off with something a little less intense. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in getting your hands on the Hamilton Beach Commercial Summit Edge, check out the link in the comments box. If you already own one, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know how it's working out for you. Till next time, keep blending.